Agricultural inspectors play a critical role in ensuring the safety, quality, and compliance of agricultural products. Their work helps protect consumers, animals, and the environment by enforcing regulations and standards. Here's an in-depth look at the definition: duties, downtime activities, education and certification requirements, pay and benefits of agricultural inspectors. Agricultural inspectors are professionals responsible for examining agricultural products, facilities, and processes to ensure they meet government regulations and industry standards. Their primary goal is to safeguard public health and ensure the quality and safety of food and agricultural products. The responsibilities of agricultural inspectors are varied and encompass several key areas. Common duties include conducting inspections, examining crops, livestock, and agricultural facilities to ensure compliance with safety, quality, and regulatory standards. Sample collection. Collecting samples of soil, water, and agricultural products for laboratory testing to detect contaminants, diseases, and pests. Documentation. Preparing detailed reports on inspection findings, including any violations or non-compliance issues. Enforcing regulations, ensuring that agricultural operations adhere to local, state, and federal regulations, and taking appropriate action when violations are found. Providing guidance, advising farmers and agricultural workers on best practices and corrective actions to meet regulatory requirements. Downtime activities. During periods when inspections are not being conducted, agricultural inspectors engage in various activities to stay prepared and informed. Professional development, attending workshops, seminars, and training sessions to stay updated on the latest regulations, industry standards, and inspection techniques. Reviewing regulations, keeping abreast of changes in laws and regulations that impact agricultural practices. Collaboration. Working with other inspectors, regulatory agencies, and industry stakeholders to share knowledge and address common challenges. Education and certification. Becoming an agricultural inspector typically requires a combination of formal education and relevant experience. Key qualifications include education, a bachelor's degree in agricultural science, biology, environmental science, or a related field provides a strong foundation for understanding agricultural processes and regulations. Experience. Practical experience in agriculture, food safety, or regulatory compliance is highly valuable. This can be gained through internships, entry-level positions, or on-the-job training. Certification. Some states or employers may require certification from organizations such as the National Environmental Health Association or the American Association of Pesticide Safety Educators. Certification demonstrates expertise and a commitment to maintaining high standards in the field. Pay and benefits. The pay and benefits for agricultural inspectors can vary based on factors such as location, experience, and the specific industry they work in. Generally, the compensation package includes pay. The average annual salary for agricultural inspectors ranges from $35,000 to $60,000, depending on experience and region. Inspectors with advanced qualifications or specialized skills may earn higher wages. Benefits. Common benefits include health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Some employers may also offer additional perks, such as professional development opportunities and travel allowances. Agricultural inspectors play a vital role in ensuring the safety and quality of agricultural products. Their work helps protect public health, maintain industry standards, and promote sustainable agricultural practices. By understanding their duties, downtime activities, education and certification requirements, and pay and benefits, we can better appreciate the importance of these dedicated professionals in the agricultural sector.